Kid Jr. exits stage left. I'm seeing a few goofy white helmets over there, but goofy helmets, pretty cool rides. Regardless how goofy a helmet looks, obviously safety our #1 priority. Again, if you guys are up on that fence, we need to ask